Hi guys, welcome to Last Tech Solution. In this video, we will see how we can download and install the latest version of Codeblocks IDE in Windows 10 operating system. So, here the first thing that we have to open up any browser, install your PC. I have Google Chrome, so I'm gonna open up. And this URL bar, we need to type Codeblocks or codeblocks.org, then press enter. I will open up the website. Now here we gonna click on download option. Now in this download page, click on this download the binary release. If we download any other platform like Linux or Mac, these are available here. Now we will download 32 or 64-bit. When it mentions 32-bit, otherwise it will be 64-bit. It depends on your operating system. If your operating system is 32-bit, then you will download 32-bit. Otherwise, download 64-bit. It will be start automatically. We need to wait for some moment to finish the download. It takes some of moment. Okay, now download is finished. Click on show in folder. Open up the folder. Here we install this. Double click on this file. If it is asked for the permission, click on yes. Provide the permission. Now we have the Codeblocks installation. Next. Now select I agree this term. Here we don't change anything. Here choose your folder when you want to install Codeblocks program files. Now click on install. Now it extracts the file along minjaw file. Now it says, do you want to run Codeblocks? No. Next. Click on this finish. Here we can launch this Codeblocks IDE and use it. Before that, I will do one more thing, and that is set up the location of minjaw installation to the path environment. So to do that, open up my computer, then go to the C drive. After that, open up program files. Now click the Codeblocks folder. Click the minjaw file. Then again click the bin file. Now copy the location directory path. After that, close the Alt tab. Now in the computer search option, type Control Panel. Click the System Setting. Now click the Advanced System Setting. After that, you get a System Properties dialog box. In the below option, here you can see Environment Variable. Click this option. Now you get another environment variable dialog box. Click the path option. Now create new environmental path. So click new. After that, paste the location directory which we can copy already. Then press OK, OK, OK. After doing all of these things, now we can randomly use the Codeblocks IDE. Hope so after watching this video you can able to download and install the Codeblocks IDE on your computer. Keep learning. Have a nice day.